friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Today I'm stopping by to share what my theme will be for January. Sorry, this is just not working out really well right there, but I decided for 2024 I am going to have a theme each month, and I'm going to try to shop my stash for that theme so that hopefully by doing that I won't be as inclined to spend as much money. Like in the previous years, I always say, oh, I don't want to spend as much, but I never have like a plan. So I'm hoping by having this plan, maybe it'll work, maybe not. Who knows, but I'm trying it. So my theme for January is memory decks. I have spoke about the memory decks on my channel before, but if you are new to my channel or you're not quite sure what a memory dex is, it's a memory dex card, like the old time Rolodex cards. But you can keep them for yourself, you can do swaps with them, you can just give them to your crafty friends. Ideally, when I first wanted to get into memory decks, I thought I would do like Copic colors so that I would know exactly what I wanted to do. If I wanted to do a pig, I would use these colors. I still want to do that. I've only done 3 of them, but I am hoping to really start focusing on that for the new year because I have little post-it notes here and there and everywhere with different color combinations, and now getting the oohoo-hoos. I want to have it all in one place so that I know what, like where to find it all in one place. So I'm hopeful to do that. If you're also new to memory decks, this is the first holder I bought. It's by Heidi Swapp. I could not find it in stock anywhere right now, so I'm not sure that it's still like a thing, but that's the first type. The second type that I really, really like is this little memory decks like box. I have linked the Etsy shop in the description box below. The shop is that I got this one from. I'm sure there's others on Etsy's, but I really like the quality and service at this place. They are taking a break, but their shop says they'll be back in January, so hang tight if you want to get one. But I wish I would do, I think from now on I will do them all like this. So in this you can see I have lots from different swaps. I do have a few that I have made. My mermaid, love that one. So it's just that one's one I made. So it's just something fun. I just really, really like it. I think it was really popular a few years ago. I missed that train, but I'm on it now. So again, in January, I'm going to be doing as many memory decks cards as I can. I am no longer going to say like a memory decks card a day. Originally, I thought about doing that, but it's just too much. Plus, I have some exciting new crafty adventures starting in the new year, and I don't think that I'd be able to commit to doing something every day. So I'm just going to do as many as I can. And so, like I said, the theme for January is memory decks. And if you're interested in joining me, I have purchased all of the memory decks dies from Scrappy Boy Stamps. I absolutely positively love them. There's lots of options. They're really reasonably priced, I think, and you can like mix and match. I did leave a link in the description box below for that. So I'll just run through what I have, and then in January you will be able to see them put together. So this is the Stitched Memory Decks dies. This is the set that I use probably the most. I love this one and how you can layer it. This is probably one of my favorites. I also have not had a chance to play with some of the new ones that I've gotten, so it could be not my favorite at the end, but we'll see. Then I also have the folded windows memory decks. So this is fun to make like shaker ones out of and stuff. You can cut little windows. Very cool. There's also the Polaroid memory decks one where you can make like a Polaroid. It can slide up, little cameras, say cheese. There's also the memory decks file folder. I thought this was just cool. It makes it so you can like, if I remember right, no, I don't think I'm thinking right. There's one that you can like tear it, but I don't think that, oh yeah, this is it. You like pull that and it like tears it. It's really cool. Anyways, Yes, I get so excited about these. The envelope memory decks, so it can make like an envelope and you can have the little card inside. This one is the film strip memory decks. I love that it has like a popcorn and then like whole like bucket and then like the popcorn for like the movies. And then we have the camera memory decks one. I'm really excited to play with this one. It's so different and so unique. I think it'll be lots of fun. And then there's the tall memory decks card. This one is a lot bigger, and at first I was hesitant, but then I thought that would be a great way to like add like dividers, or I don't know, you could add like some bigger scenes on it, or even like bigger dies. Looking forward to it. So, like I said, I just wanted to introduce my theme for January. I know it's early, but that way if you wanted to craft along with me or something and be able to share some memory decks cards, I might even give some away. I don't know yet. I haven't really formulated a true set in stone plan, but I'm looking forward to 2024 and so excited and super excited to start creating some memory decks cards and sharing them here on my channel. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them. Take a peek over at Scrappy Boy Stamps and see what memory decks dies might be your favorites, and check out the whole shop. It's just amazing. Seriously, they are one of my I'm like obsessing over them lately. I just love Scrappy Boy Stamps. Enough said. Anyways, I will let you be, and until my next video, which it might be kind of thin here on my channel until the new year, but the new year I have lots of plans to have lots of videos up. So till my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.